Good morning, Sunday morning, and I'm just heading off to a car boot sale. I guess I best try and make most of the time that I have off, even though I don't really want to have it off, but that's no choice of my own really. I'm feeling pretty tired today, not gonna lie, but I'm trying to do something productive today. Parents' sister off to some communal dog walk thing today, apparently. I'm not off, but I'm gonna stay home and just chill today, rest up. I remember what I wanted to say before I got to the car boot sale. I'm on my way home now, but I remember what I wanted to say. Nothing really that important, but basically I hadn't even edited or uploaded my vlog yet today, so I've got to go home and get that done. That's probably the most pointless bit of information I've actually told you today. And it's raining. Good I went to car boot sale before I did, because now it's really, really raining. I'm back home now. Time to edit yesterday's vlog, and then chill out. I can't even do that. Oh my god. Look a bit like Keith Lemon. Bang tidy. I can't even do the voice. I'm not even trying. Is that not one of like the prettiest moths you can get in your house? I think that's pretty cool. I took a photo of one. Oh, I think I put it on Instagram. And here we have Mothwatch with the rare It's Jamie IRL. You can tell I'm bored, can't you? I'm already bored, and it's only Sunday. It's 2:20 already this afternoon, and I think my parents have just got home with the dog and the dogs and my sister. Hopefully they've had a good day out. I'm not sure what's going on yet. I'm trying to talk and not yawn. That didn't work, all did it?
It had a friend, didn't it, Alfie? Tiny.
Send loopy, that's a good tea, that is. Another egg?
3?
Bacon. How many slices? Is that like 50 billion slices of bacon sausage?
I didn't want that many bacons.
That's like a protein overload today. Sure.
Yeah, mate.
I'm not moaning.
You are.
Jamie's filming his food now. I'll just...
So I've had an idea for a while, and it's something I've sort of thought of and something I've sort of thought more about, and I was wondering about doing like summer meetups. Would you guys be interested in doing like a summer meetup? Not like loads of people, but just like I could come and meet like 1 or 2 of you like now and then, or come to wherever you live, I don't know, hang out for the day, grab something to eat. If you've got a penny board, we could penny board around. I don't know, just something like that. If you have any ideas, comment below, but it's just like an idea for now, because I would love to sort of meet some of you guys, because some of you guys I've known for years, but I don't actually know, I don't really know who you are, I don't know where you live. I know I have a lot of younger viewers, but I have viewers all over the world, but I would be interested in sort of meeting some of you guys. So if any of you would be interested, if you would please comment below, whether you just, I don't know, just comment anything relating to it. I'm not going to particularly ask for any details now, but if you guys would be interested in doing some meetups where I come meet you, and we just hang out for the day, I'll do the travelling. I'm not bothered, I'll do the travelling, I'll pay to travel down, even if it means paying for you to go out for a meal or something, I don't know, just something. I don't know, give me some ideas, comment below, tell me what you think. So I really would like to get to meet some of you guys. I'll stick you in my vlogs, if you want to be in my vlogs, that is. If you run your own vlogging channels and would like to vlog with me on a day, I'll give you a shout out, just whatever really, comment below, tell me what you think. It's my idea. What is that bright light? Strawberries and ice cream again. Hey guys, so I didn't actually get a chance to finish my vlog off yesterday. I was watching football and fell asleep on my bed, and then next thing I knew it was like 12:10, so I woke up, had a bath, and basically went straight to bed because I was extremely tired for some strange reason. So I didn't get a chance to edit my vlog, end my vlog or anything. So basically just making this message today to end the vlog, and vlogging on the current day that you will see this vlog. So yeah, thanks for watching, I'm going to stay positive, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Thank you.